students, in this video we are going to study distance between two parallel lines. So here two parallel lines are drawn, line L1 and line L2. So let equation of line L1 be R bar is equal to A1 bar plus lambda 1 B bar, and let equation of the second line L2 be R bar is equal to A2 bar plus lambda 2 B bar. Now why in both the equations we have B bar? Because if these two lines are parallel, then they are parallel to the same vector. So R bar is A1 bar plus lambda 1 B bar means what? Point A with position vector A1 bar lies on L1 and line L1 is parallel to B bar. So line L1 is parallel to B bar. Now equation of second line is given as R bar is equal to A2 bar plus lambda 2 B bar. That means the point having position vector A2 bar lies on the second line L2. So we have taken point B with position vector A2 bar on L2, and line L2 is also parallel to B bar because these two lines are parallel. So they are parallel to the same vector B bar. So that's why we have same B bar in both the equations. Okay. Now we have to find out distance between these two lines. So the distance is constant everywhere. So to find the distance, draw AM perpendicular to L2. Point A with position vector A1 bar lies on L1, and we are drawing perpendicular from A to second line. So that is AM. So basically we want to find out distance AM. So to find distance AM, now here point B with position vector A2 bar lies on L2. So join AB. So we have right angle triangle AMB and we want value of AM. So here taking sine theta, in sine ratio we will get that AM. Sine theta equals to AM divided by AB. So to find AM, let's cross multiply. So AM becomes AB sine theta. Okay. If we multiply by B and divide by B, so AB into B sine theta. B means modulus of B bar divided by B. But A bar cross B bar is AB sine theta and modulus of A bar cross B bar is AB sine theta. So since here we have AB into B sine theta, this is nothing but modulus of AB bar cross B bar. And the denominator is B, which is modulus of B bar. So this is a formula to find distance between two parallel lines. So just we have to remember what is A, what is B and what is B bar. So distance between the lines equal to modulus of AB bar cross B bar upon modulus of B bar. So what we need to find distance between two parallel lines is we need 2 points on those lines, one on each line, and the vector to which these two lines are parallel. So AB bar means what? A is a point on first line, B is point on second line, and B bar is the vector to which these two lines are parallel, or B bar is direction ratios of both the lines. Okay. So let's solve some questions based on this formula. Now consider this question. Find the distance between the parallel lines R bar equal to 2 I cap minus j cap plus k cap plus lambda into 2 I cap plus j cap minus 2 k cap, and the second line is R bar equal to I cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap plus mu into 2 I cap plus j cap minus 2 k cap. You can see here that the vector after lambda and mu both are same. So this is B bar, direction ratios of both the vectors or the vector to which both the lines are parallel. So we need a point on first line. So point on first line is A, and that is 2 I cap minus j cap plus k cap. So that is the position vector. That means the coordinates are 2 minus 1 1. Okay. Now let's write point on the second line. So point on the second line is 1 minus 1 2. And direction ratios of both the lines, b bar equal to 2 I cap plus j cap minus 2 k cap. Now let's write the formula, and let's use the formula to find the distance. So distance between the parallel lines, distance between the parallel lines equal to modulus of AB bar cross B bar upon modulus of B bar. Okay. So writing the formula now, let's find out first of all AB bar and then the cross product. So AB bar is B bar minus A bar. So B is 1 minus 1 2 minus A is 2 minus 1 1. So 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1, 2 minus 1. So that is minus 1 0 1. So we have AB bar as minus I cap plus K cap. Okay. So now the next step is find the cross product. AB bar cross B bar. Cross product means determinant. First row is I cap, J cap, K cap. Now coefficients of I, J, K from AB bar. So those are minus 1, 0, 1. Now the next row is coefficients of I, J, K from B bar. So 2, 1, minus 2. So that is equal to I cap 0 minus 1 minus J cap 2 minus 2 plus K cap minus 1 minus 0. So that becomes minus I cap. Now term in J cap is not there, minus K cap. Okay, so this is AB bar cross B bar. Now the next one is you have to find out modulus of B bar. So modulus of B bar is root 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square. So that is root 4 plus 1 plus 4, root 9 equal to 3. So the distance is, first of all we have to find out modulus of AB bar cross B bar. So modulus of AB bar cross B bar is equal to root minus 1 square plus minus 1 square. That is root 1 plus 1 root 2. So distance between the parallel lines, distance between the parallel lines equal to modulus of AB bar cross B bar, that is root 2, divided by modulus of B bar, that is 3. So the distance is root 2 upon 3 units. In this question, the equations of the lines are given in Cartesian form. So the formula to find distance between parallel lines, distance between parallel lines equal to modulus of AB bar cross B bar divided by modulus of B bar. So, but first we have to determine what is A, what is B and what is B bar. So, A is point on first line. Equation is given x upon 2, that means x minus 0 upon 2, y minus 0 upon minus 1, z minus 0 upon 2. So that means first line pass through origin. So let's take the point on the straight line as A, origin means 0, 0, 0. Now let's write point B. Point B lies on second line. So we have to just change the sign of these numbers to find the coordinates of point on the second line. So that is 5 minus 1, 2. Now we have position vectors of A and B. Now let's write B bar. B bar is direction ratios of both the lines. So those are 2 minus 1, 2. Here also it is given 2 minus 1, 2. But sometimes they may write it as a multiple of any multiple of these direction ratios here. So you can write the smallest number there. So it is 2 I cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap. Now let's find out AB bar first. AB bar is B bar minus A bar, and as point A is 0, 0, 0. So this is B bar only. So that is 5 I cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap. Now AB bar cross B bar. So AB bar cross B bar is equal to determinant I cap, j cap, k cap. Then coefficients of I, j, k from AB bar. That is 5 minus 1, 2. And coefficients of I, j, k from B bar. 2 minus 1, 2. So that is I cap minus 2 minus minus plus 2 minus j cap 5 into 2 10 minus 2 into 2 4 plus k cap minus 5 plus 2. So the first one is 0. Now this is 10 minus 4, that is 6. So it is minus 6 j cap. Minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. So minus 3 k cap. So you can take 3 common or minus 3 common. Then it is 2j plus k. Now let's find out modulus of AB bar cross B bar. Modulus is, write the positive value. So this is modulus of minus 3, 3 root 2 square plus 1 square. So that is 3 root 5. Now we need modulus of B bar. So modulus of B bar is 2i minus j plus 2k. So that is 2 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square root 4 plus 1 plus 4, that is root 9 equals to 3. Now let's substitute these values in the formula. So the distance between the parallel lines modulus of AB bar cross B bar is 3 root 5. Modulus of B bar is 3. So the distance is root 5 units. So this is your today's assignment. Find the distance between the parallel lines. So 2 questions are given, and in first question equations of lines are given in vector form, and in the second question those are given in Cartesian form. So first find coordinates of the point on the straight line, the direction ratios of the straight line, and use the formula. Okay, see you in the next video.